Hi everyone. So let's welcome to all to have a new sessions. So today we'll discuss how we can get SAP training live videos and a stream study material for beginners in affordable and easy way. So we'll start the process. Basically, those who are a beginner, okay, it is very tough to decide how we can get and where do we get the trainings and videos and server access and all. So the steps you should follow. So please, before going, please like and subscribe this channel definitely. And till end, please watch this video. So let's start. So we will have a process here. So you should choose first SAP module which is your interest. Like we have a logistics, we have a functional module, we have a technical, we have a techno functional. So based on your requirement, you can choose. Especially for the beginner, they are confused basically which module should we go. So before going ahead, so you have to choose like a specialized module which is very interesting. I mean, you have on this module. So the step first is choose your module. Then second steps, you have to find out like where you can get a live training video and best trainers. And definitely affordable cost also matter for the student or beginners basically, and freshers as well. So let example, if you prefer the FICO, so live courses, so you should know like really, I mean, the version and system demo definitely, it is completely free. So if you in case any doubt, reach us to me, or mail us, and you can just comment on this. Definitely we'll assist you, and definitely you can ask whatever your doubts in your mail, like demo access, will you provide server with this training video or not, and study material, everything, I mean, whatever you have it, so it will be clear. And my team will revert you on this. So now the next option will be the online training institute low cost, which is very low cost, right? So it is very cheapest way. So we recommended to go with the live like videos and materials and all. So these are the basic things. We will very helpful. And if in case, if you want to get some study material like PDF and list of the T codes, confusion steps, related to FAQ or some demo projects, so it would be also grateful to you. So now it is also possible if you have a, like if you want to take the server as well, it is much better, because without practicing, it is unused. So better, whenever you start the training, you should have a video material and try like server access as well, which is very easy and cheapest. So please, all this thing, please mail us if you need any requirement. Please mail us, ping us, and definitely will assist you as soon as possible. So this is way. And the best recommended way, so basically best recommended way, you will prefer a live classes recordings, study material, and definitely the practice survey is much more important, because nowadays students are facing the challenges. They are getting the training, they have watched the multiple videos, but they don't have practice on that. So we will recommend it. So you will go to the all the videos and all and study material, then you should also practice, because without practice you can't crack the interviews. So definitely keep in mind. So these are the, we will have the, you should take care going forward to take any. And please you can mail us if in case any requirement from your end. So how we'll provide you, basically once you will get the mail from your end, we will have a demo. Like example SD, SSC, BW HANA. So these are the complete, we will have a like Google Drives. So definitely we will every each and module we have demo sessions. We will immediately within your 1 or 2 minutes we will share the demo sessions. If you are okay, then we can have a full video we will share with you all guys. So please going forward, if in case any requirement, please mail us, comment us, and any query. And also, I mean, suggest us if in case any new requirement. And what will prefer you. So definitely you can comment on my video, and going forward I will make the video for your help. So Please like, subscribe, and definitely you should comment and share with your friend. Thank you. Bye.